What's good, everybody? So I'm going to show you this really cool Kingcamp chair that the baby and I can swing on. So it comes in a carrying case, so you can put this over your shoulder or whatnot. It comes in different colors, blue, green, black, khaki. It's got two parts to it. So the first part is this, which is the chair, and then the second part is the part that is the structure. Now you're going to notice that there are pins in here. Those pins are here because they are going to be holding something in place. So the way to do it is, this is waterproof, made of aluminum. You basically just put this down, and then here there are these safety pins, and you want to make sure that you put this through this hole here. All right, you take this, and there are these plasticky pockets here, putting one on here, the other one on here. Sit down on it. It's a regular chair, but if I want to turn it into a hammock, I just got to take these and pull this backwards, and then now it's a lounger. So you can see it's a lounger. Now this isn't just a regular chair. This is a mesh. This is all waterproof. Take it to the beach. It's sewn very well. There's a cushion here. There's a drink holder right over here with a mesh. And like I said, very easy to assemble, very easy to turn into a chair, and additional support on the back because of these things. It holds up to 300 pounds. Very happy with this.